Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you Redmi mobile guys auto change wallpaper how to set. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile auto change wallpaper setting, you want to set auto change wallpaper in Redmi mobile. So friends, now let's see how to set and use Redmi mobile auto change wallpaper setting. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your Redmi mobile you want to use lock screen auto change wallpaper setting. How to use Redmi mobile lock screen auto change wallpaper? Unlock your phone, open your phone setting, scroll down here, open your phone lock screen setting. First of all guys, you will have to on your balance for mi setting. Your balance for mi setting is off, so you cannot use auto change wallpaper. Click here balance for mi setting. Friends, you can see this type interface. So friends, click here I agree option. Now friends, you can use your auto change wallpaper. Open your phone wallpaper setting, tap here profile, select your wallpaper. Example friends, I will select this wallpaper in my Redmi mobile. I will apply this wallpaper. Set as both option. Friends, if you click your home screen, so you cannot use auto change wallpaper. You will have to select your wallpaper for your lock screen and both option, then you can use. So friends, I will use both option. Auto change wallpaper, keep on setting, tap here. You can use auto change wallpaper in Redmi mobile. Tap here, keep on. You can use auto change wallpaper. So friends, in your Redmi mobile you can check. Can you will lock your device screen? You have same wallpaper of your on your screen. Unlock your phone, again lock your screen. When you will on your phone, wallpaper will change automatic. Unlock your phone, lock your screen, wallpaper change automatic. Off your screen, on your screen, wallpaper change. And guys, if you turn on your mobile data and you have your Wi-Fi network, so you can on your Wi-Fi and you can on your mobile data. So friends, you can do different types wallpaper on your lock screen. So friends, I don't have my mobile data and Wi-Fi network. My Wi-Fi is off, so I cannot show you, but you want to use, so you can on your mobile data and you can on your Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi network, you can use different wallpaper on your lock screen. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, do you have any problem in Redmi mobile wallpaper settings? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.